Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your background on a Zoom application. Okay, here I have opened my Zoom application on my PC, and here I have created a virtual room on my Zoom application. And if you want to change background of our Zoom, we can click on this video. You can tap on this little arrow, then you're going to select choose virtual background. Then here you can change your background. You can select the available backgrounds right here, or you can also select the background from your device. If you want to select background from your device, you can click on this plus button. Then you're going to tap on add image. Okay, and select photo from your device. You would like to make it as your Zoom background, and I'm gonna go with wait guys, I'm gonna go with this picture or this image. Then we can tap on the image, then click on open. Okay, and now as you can see that my background has been changed, and I'm going to close this menu, and I'm going to turn on my camera to show you the final result. Okay, and this is the result guys. Alright guys, and that's how we can change video background on Zoom application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.